In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily make stickers on WhatsApp on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first stop, we need to open up Photos app. And then we need to open up some photo. Let's say I want to make WhatsApp sticker using that person, Sue. First off, we need to top at some person or some another object and top at copy. After that, we can go to WhatsApp. We can open up some conversation. And then all we have to do is just paste it. Just like that. As you can see down below, it says custom sticker. We can send it. And then we can long press add that sticker. And we can top at start. What that will do, that will add that sticker to your favorite sticker. So after that, we can top right here at that star icon. And there at favorites, we can easily find this sticker we have just created. Then in the future, if you would like to send the same sticker, you can just stop right here, then top at that icon, and here we are. We can easily send that sticker multiple times. That's how you can easily make your own WhatsApp sticker on your iPhone.